Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how you can use your apartment.com app. So let's get started. So just open the app here, apartment.com. So basically this app is for your rental purpose and house buying purpose. Okay, so you will just open the app. So this is not opening, I don't know why, but sometimes this occurs because of the server issue also. So it's a very common problem, don't worry. So using is very easy. Just open it. Then you have to search your place where you are finding your place to stay or rent. Click on there and you can see for the houses. Whichever house you like, just click on there and you can see the photo and directly you can contact the owner and you can do the payment and your house will be booked. So by this way, it is very easy, simple way you can use it. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.